Hello everyone, this is Nirmaye and today I am going to cover one of the most important topic of this computer network subject, that is OSI model. What is OSI? OSI stands for Open System Interconnection Model. This model was first introduced in 1970 by International Standard Organization. ISO has covered all the aspects of network communication using this model. Now, what is mean by open system in OSI model? When I say open system, it is a set of protocols that allows any two different systems to communicate regardless of their underlying architecture. That is, whenever two systems wants to communicate with each other, they don't have to make any changes in their hardware or software. OSI is not simply a protocol. It is a model for understanding and designing a network architecture for communication. Now, what this architecture consists of, or what this model consists of, it is made up of 7 layers, but all these layers are related with each other. Now, these layers are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application, and they are numbered from bottom to top as 1 to 7. Now, what is the concept of layer in this model? Now, the whole process of communication is explained through this OSI model in terms of by making different groups, and these groups we call them as layers. Okay. Now, how exactly this process is taking place between different systems, or how different systems interact with each other? For example, device A and device B wants to communicate with each other, and these devices are present in different networks. So these devices may be connected through different intermediate nodes, that these nodes might be different routers. Now, what is the requirement for communication? That is, these devices must implement all the processes on both the sides, but the condition is that whatever processes are taking place at device A, exactly same set of processes must be taking place at device B, but in reverse order. Okay. Now, another thing you can observe in this model, that is all these layers from 7, 6, 5 and 4, they are connected using these dotted lines, and for layer 3, 2 and 1 we are showing these intermediate layers also, that is these network, data link and physical layers. Okay. Now, this 7 up to 4th layer, this communication is taking place virtually between end systems, and for layers network, data link and physical, the communication is between different host to host machines. Okay. Now, your data will be traveling from 7th layer to the 1st layer, then it will be transmitted through some physical or wireless communication media in terms of signal, and at the receiving side again it will be converted back to the you can say bit stream, and it will be traveling upward into the up to the application layer, and it will be received in its original form. So, what are the exact set of functions are carried out at device A and device B at each layer, and how these functions will be communicated to the next layer, and what is the whole process of communication, that in detail I will be covering in my next lecture. Thank you.